Hey guys, it's Mingo here. It's my very first video in English, so not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. Just a little bit, just a tad. About 2.5 years ago, when my husband and I got married, we received matching carry-on luggages as our wedding gift, and we've been traveling here and there to many places, and it's gone through many rough times. It was thrown and, carried from one country to another, and it was good until the zipper on my bag started tearing off and wearing off. And Alvin's luggage, it was broken. Like, there's a crack on the corner of the luggage itself. We decided we need to get a new luggage. And right when we decided that, we found a new American Express credit card. What? And you're probably thinking, I thought you were talking about carry-on luggages for your next, coming trips. Credit card? So today I'm here to introduce a new American Express green card. I actually just got it in the mail right here today. It's so pretty. It's like jade. It's so pretty. This brand new American Express green card gives you a tiny little perk that really saved me and my husband for all the researches we were doing with our new carry-on luggage. But before we get to that, I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the sign-up bonus points that the American Express green card gives you. So the public offer for the green card is for 30,000 points and $100 statement credit for away luggage. Now we'll get to what away luggage is, but you kind of see where I'm going with the credit card and the luggage, right? But with the referral link down below that we have for you guys, you'll receive 35,000 points and $150 statement credit for away luggage. Along with the Amex green card referral link down below, we have the referral link for the away luggage. So you'll get $20 off, extra $20 off on top of the $150 with the green card. So $170 in total, discounted from your order with away luggage. So we ended up getting our bigger carry-on luggage, which normally costs about $245. For $75. If you're looking for a credit card to sign up and you're eligible for the American Express green card and you're looking for a new luggage for your next trip, I think it's a go. So let's look at the luggage itself. Ta-da! It comes in this box that says away. If you want to get away, go away with the away luggage. Let's open this bad boy up. Look at this. Isn't it adorable? It comes in a little dust bag. Well, it's not little, but it comes in a dust bag. These little details honestly make me so happy. Just me? No? Okay, good. Not just me, right? Phew. That didn't happen. If you open this up, 너무 예뻐. I love it. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. This is a bigger carry-on away luggage in blush. Isn't it so pretty? It's my favorite color. Look how well built this is. It's hard, very solid, but it's also flexible enough that you can play with when you're packing and trying to stuff everything in. My old case, it was very hard and not very flexible at all, actually. Zero flexibility. And I think that's probably one of the reasons why the case broke right at the corner. The rubber on the handle is so nice for for the grip, and super smooth. Love it. Also, it's got, here is the TSA combination lock, and it's set to 000 here. If you can definitely change the combination to your own passcode, and there's a manual on how to. You just pop and this comes off. You see how flexible this is? And also here, I don't know if you can see it, but the finishing touch on the side, it's got the leather finish instead of like cloth, and I don't know what else they have, but it's not one of those like easily breakable materials that hold it together. It's leather, and the stitchings are all around the zippers. It's very tight and well stitched. And also the wheels. It's a 360. Look how smooth it is. But let's open it up. Ta-da. See the two sides? On the top side of the luggage, it's got the net divider where you can put something that cannot be squished. And on this side here, this is something that Away Luggage caught my eyes with. A compressor. You know how you would have to bring a vacuum seal bags to put all your clothes in and then suck the air out to compress all your clothes in so that it'll all fit? Well, sometimes like those bags in itself, they will take up annoying amount of space. Here you can put your stuff everywhere and close this over. There's a buckle. Put the strap on top of it, just like so, and tighten it. And as you tighten it, it'll compress this panel down. Done. You don't need a vacuum seal bag to compress your clothes down. And here, inside, they'd have a cute little leather luggage tag. And it comes with the, what do you call these? Magic sponge, I think. The Away brand magic sponge to rub the outside to clean whatever marks that it might have. I thought it was super cute. It also comes with this little passport looking manual book for the luggage, and we'll read a couple of them together in just a few seconds. Put that away. I'll put this back. And it also comes with this waterproof laundry bag. You can put all your dirty underwears and socks in here throughout your trip so that it doesn't stink up the rest of your outfit. I just love these little details. And that goes right back in. And it's also detachable. Just like that. On this page it says know your strength. Your bag's exterior is pure Macrolon polycarbonate. It's unbreakable, super lightweight. Yes, it's very lightweight. And has a little give to it. We chose this material over stiffer options for 3 reasons. Its flexibility means it'll bend, not break, under pressure. It's a natural shock absorber, making for a smoother ride. It expands to give you even more packing space. So overall, thumbs up. And it even has a picture of sumo wrestler here bouncing up and down to test how well built this Away luggage is. And I missed it earlier, but right here on the corner, I don't know if you can see, it has the very subtle Away brand name tag right here. 2 things that you should know before you get it. It's got 100-day free trial. The first 100 days with your Away suitcase is a get to know you period. Go ahead and test it out. Live with it, travel with it, roll it down to the grocery store, whatever. If at any time in the first 100 days you feel like it's just not working out, you can return the suitcase for a full refund. No questions asked, no ifs, ands, or asterisks. They have a lifetime warranty. They are so confident in how amazingly built this is and the materials, just everything, that they'll give you a lifetime warranty. Also, I don't have this on me, but the Away luggage has an option of getting the built-in removable battery pack. Right where the handle lies, it lives right here, right underneath your handle, and it'll pop out and you can store it right back in there and it'll be locked and sealed and safe. So you have the option of having the ejectable battery bank or not. Either way, it's pretty cool how they have that as an option, right? So with that being said, my husband and I, do get commission if you use the referral link down below in the description box. I will include the disclaimer down below as well in the description box, so go ahead and check that out, and feel free to ask any questions if you have any. And I'm planning on including more videos on credit cards and how we've been building our credits and how we use all our credit cards and the bonus points towards our trips that we've been going to. So stay tuned for all those videos. And if you have any questions, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you guys later. Bye. 휴, 힘들었다. 왜지? 아, 영어로 하는데 왜 이렇게 힘들지? 더워. 휴. 어색해 죽는 줄 알았네. 구독, 좋아요, 댓글 많이 남겨주시고 저희는 다음 영상에서 만나요. 안녕. 바이바이.